Hi, hello. Subscribe lang kayo dito. Mag-iingat kayo. Lahat ng viewers ng Rochelle Anting vlog, please do subscribe and thank you for all your support. Toits, oh. Yeah, no. Ingat.
Mga minamahal ko pong kapwa Batang Maynila, palakpakan po natin ang pagdating ng ating minamahal na ama ng lungsod ng Maynila, Yorme Isko Moreno Domagoso. Mga Batang Maynila, palakpakan po natin Vice Mayor Chi Atienza at Yorme Isko Moreno Domagoso. Muli po, palakpakan po namin Vice Mayor Chi Atienza at Yorme Isko Moreno Domagoso. Maaari na pong magsiupo ang lahat. Muli, isang magandang umaga po sa lahat ng ating pong kapwa Batang Maynila. Ang taus-pusong pasasalamat sa inyong pakikiisa at pagdalo upang saksihan ang muling pagbubukas ng bagong pasilidad ang emergency room ng napakaganda at maaliwalas na ospital ng Maynila Medical Center. At upang ibigay ang kanyang mensahe ng pagbati at upang ipakilala ang ating punong lungsod, palakpakan po natin our officer in charge ng Ospital ng Maynila, Dr. Randy Baladi.
Good morning, a pleasant day to everyone. Today, we gather for a truly meaningful occasion as we celebrate another important milestone in strengthening the public healthcare services for the people of Manila. Ang inauguration po ng bagong ospital ng Maynila Medical Center ay hindi lamang simbolo ng pagtulad, kundi isang malinaw na patunay ng ating patuloy na pangako sa makapagbigay ng mabilis, maayos at makataong serbisyong medikal sa bawat Manileño. This new emergency department stands as a symbol of hope, readiness and compassionate care, especially for patients and families who rely on immediate and life-saving medical attention during their most difficult moments. Higit po ito sa isang bagong pasilidad. Ito ay sumasailalim sa ating hatikhain na magkaroon ng mas matatag, mas episyente, at mas accessible na healthcare system para sa ating komunidad. We extend our sincere gratitude to all the individuals who made this project possible. Our hardworking healthcare workers, hospital personnel, and city officials whose dedication and commitment to public service continue to inspire us all. At higit sa lahat, mas magiging makabuluhan po ang ating pagdiriwang na ito dahil sa presensya ng isang leader na tunay nagmamalasakit sa kapakanan ng bawat Manileño. Pamamagitan ng kanyang mahusay na pamumuno, malasakit sa mamamayan at walang sawang suporta sa mga programang pangkalusugan at pampublikong serbisyo, patuloy pong umaangat at umuulad ang lungsod ng Maynila. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride and honor that I present our beloved City Mayor, Honorable Francisco Isko Dumagoso.
Good morning. Ay, maraming salamat, Director Barali at sa ng iyong mga kasamahang naglilingkod sa ating mamamayan sa usapin ng pangkalusugan. Excited ako para sa inyo. You know, this is a very new building. Sad to say, I think it's a 7-year-old brand new building. But any building for that matter should be maintained. It cannot be neglected. As in, once na tinayo mo, bahala na si Bathala o ayos. In fulfilling our commitment to deliver better health care, public health care. As you all know, by this time, we've been trying to unclog foot traffic to our hospital by empowering our frontline healthcare facility, which is modernizing our health center and reviving those who were close to. Tatatong taon lang ako nawala. Ang daming health center na masarap. How can we do that? How can we do such thing as the population grows and health challenges or economic and health challenges are existing and continue to grow. Numbers don't lie. We, as government, should continue to empower our frontline healthcare facility so that magkaroon ng ease in terms of foot traffic and demand to our hospitals. And rest assured to our doctors and nurses, medical and non-medical personnel at Hospital ng Maynila and other hospitals, we will continue to strengthen, widen, reach as many as we can to deliver good quality healthcare. On your side, you soon, the city and the country, for that matter, will now enjoy the more production of medical professionals. Our dreams and aspirations of the city of Manila as part of the nation-building approach is to produce more doctors, dentists, nurses, medtech, and so on and so forth. If we are now producing about at least 300 under Pamantasan Lungsod ng Manila, we soon in this corner you will have an institution that can produce 5,000 on maximum. So that is good for the city, good for the country, especially for the people of Manila. To reinforce our medical professionals in community healthcare. And we are on track in acquiring medical professionals in our 7th hospital, in Paseco Hospital. We are halfway there. So imagine mo, in just 8 months, it was just sitting duck, or what you call white elephant. But upon assumption, nakita ninyo, agad dyan na, functioning and it's going to be full-blown first level hospital, hopefully cross finger at the end of the year. And soon, as a, again, continued commitment to our people and to our doctors and nurses and non-medical practitioners, there will be a new Austin, in the city of Manila.
Thank you sa inyo, pati sa mga viewers nyo and followers nyo. Oh, marami na kayong aabangan.
Yes, excited
Handa na
na po
ba kayo
kami.
mapuyat?
Yes naman, your man.
Ay makapagpasalamat sa inyong lahat. At sa ating mga vloggers, shout out sa lahat ng vloggers. You survive. Abonado pa kayo. Thank you very much sa inyo, ha. Hi, hello. Subscribe lang kayo dito. Mag-iingat kayo. Lahat ng viewers ng Rochelle Anting vlog, please do subscribe and thank you for all your support. Toy, so, yeah, no? Ingat.